trying to film this YouTube video, but this girl's at the dog park and she's literally like looking this way. It's very uncomfortable. Bless. She's leaving. Thank God. Let's do it. We're unboxing 4 Ipsy boxes this week today, but I think they sent me an extra bag or something. Let's do this one first because it's already opened and the lightest one that's open. So they just kind of like threw everything in there this time. What month is this? Oh, January. So I guess they must have been out of some products. So they only sent me 2 products, but I did get a partial refund for that, I think. So yeah, so I guess that's fine. I was expecting to get like all these cool products that everybody else is getting, and my boxes never came, and they just got lost. In this first one, we have a blue Lotus balancing moisturizer. I feel like, honestly, I already have this from an Ipsy box. The packaging is just different, but I'm pretty sure I've already used this, but I could just get rid of that older one and use this one because the other one is pretty old. I haven't really had any complaints with it. If it's the same one, I like it. It's not super scented, so, but yeah, this packaging is cuter, more cute, it's brighter. Then we have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. This is actually kind of cute. That smells good. There's like a lot of little beads in it. I didn't expect there to be. I just see like the ones that are like very prominent and obviously there. Hopefully you guys can see that. When you rub your lips together, it feels like there's a lot more of the sand. Slight watermelon taste, but not what the ones that taste good, like lip smackers or something. So that was the January bag. Okay. And then we'll do this one because it's already open, and yeah, and I've already gotten this bag before. I was gonna say something mean, but I've already gotten this before. I didn't like it the first time. I don't like it now. Just saying. It says Unstoppable, but yeah, I think 2 of these, I'm very confused. I don't know. Let's open this. So this is actually dope. So they sent me 2 February boxes, so I guess I am opening the one that I already opened. I just have 2 of it. This whole shipping thing just got totally messed up. I don't know what happened, but I just used this for the first time last night, so now I have a backup if I like it. If I don't like it, then I'm gonna give it away, but if I like it, then that's dope because I already have a backup. It's very thick. It is indeed like a very thick foam. It doesn't have like a scent or anything like that. If it does, it's very, very, very faint. We'll see if it works. It's supposed to be for deep green tea cleansing foam. It's supposed to help with like acne and like tightening stuff, but it's all really not in English, so yeah. But that's that. I'll keep you guys posted on whether or not I like that. And this is a Complex Culture, I believe this is a brush. I'm gonna open it from this side so that I don't break my nail trying to rip that tape. Oh, this is dense. Is this a foundation brush? Yes. I'm actually with it. I like having multiple foundation brushes because I don't like washing my brushes a lot, so it's nice if I have like 5 or 6 brushes, then I can go like 6 weeks without washing my brushes and just use a new one every single week because I'm lazy. We gonna do that. I've been wanting to create this like cheetah eye look. It's definitely been done before, but not by me and not at my skill level, which is very low. Yeah, we'll give that a go one day. So I like foundation brushes, and I think these are, it's synthetic? Synthetic. Yeah, so that's that brush. Then, oh, this is also pretty dope. I got like doubles of all this stuff, so I actually might give like 2 of these things away. Next thing is this moisturizer, which I'm honestly pretty excited about. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited about because it has hyaluronic acid in it, which I've been super into lately. I love hyaluronic acid. I have like a spray that I spray on my face when I finish my makeup. I'm excited to try that, and it's good to know that if I like it, I have a backup. So the next thing is this blush, which I honestly haven't even looked at yet. Okay, so it comes in like a little, ooh, okay. This is actually so cute. Oh my gosh, Isabel, I'm totally gonna give this to you. That is so cute. I'm not gonna touch it just because I'm gonna give it away. But this is stinking cute. The next thing is the Creme Shop, the Creme Shop. Boxes I struggle with. My nails are too long, you guys. Oh, that's because it's taped. Okay, we're gonna try a lighter. Seems to be working. Life hack. I probably should say don't do that. Okay. Oh my god, how cute! I like this packaging. This is cute. Oh my goodness. I like this. Okay, I want to smell it. What is this? Glow Ample Serum. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's nice. We're keeping both of these. Let's open this one. Okay, Victoria Beckham, I mean, Future Lash. I started to get excited because I love getting mascaras. I don't know about anybody else, but I hate buying mascara. I love getting mascaras, and this feels luxe, you guys. Ooh, it's nice and heavy. It's sleek. I'm excited. I don't want to open it. Okay, so I have now a color contour stick from Trestique. We had a few things from them in the last box. Ipsy works with them a lot. We'll try it, see how it goes. Like, how bad can I do, right? I don't think I'll do that bad. I'm pretty good at doing makeup. I can't do like cool shit. And I always forget to blend down my freaking neck. But my foundation matches me pretty well, in my opinion. Correct me if I'm wrong, please, so that I don't continue to look like a dumbass. But I feel like you can't tell when I don't do it. I did it today. This looks really hard to open. I hate lip oil, so I'm not excited about this product. And honestly, like, I really try to use that Tarte lip oil every day, but I literally couldn't because I just hate lip oils. They don't work, in my opinion. Every single lip oil that I've tried makes my lips more dry than they were previously, and I don't like that. And I feel like they put too many things in these lip oils to make them effective. They become like drying, and I don't know. I don't like them, but that smells good. I have that like sugar thing on, but I kind of want to try it. And I will say it also smells like that shampoo and conditioner line that's shaped like a fish for kids. You know what I'm talking about? The detangler one. Oh. This one actually feels really nice, but I also do have that sugar scrub on. So that was already making my lips feel pretty juicy, not gonna lie, but I'll try it. Maybe this one will be a winner, and if it is and I like it, I'll probably rebuy it because I hate lip gloss. Yeah, so next thing is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. I didn't know how to say that word for a second. I got so lost in my head. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Lotion. I always try to read it when like it's like the not in English, it's in French. I did take 4 years of French. Let's try it anyways. Lotion relaxante pour les mains et le corps. I don't know. This works. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. I feel like I'm being extra annoying in this video, so if I am and you don't like it, I apologize. If you do like it, click that like button, show it, and I'll let you know in the next video what I think about it, because I feel like with a lotion you can kind of tell after like the first 1 or 2 uses, whether you like it or not. And like, this is really small, so I feel like I'm gonna go through this in a week if I'm putting it on my entire body, but that's fine because maybe my body's beauty that is gained from this will last a lifetime. I don't like this bag, but it's okay. It's fine. So I actually don't know what this is, but for some reason I like the packaging a bunch. Like literally, for some reason, it's very like minimal and manly, and I like that. I don't know if that's a good description of this, but that's the vibes I'm getting. I want to smell it. It is a AHA VITC-HA. What's HA stand for? Oh, hyaluronic acid. Oh my God. I'm so excited right now for all this hyaluronic shit. Okay, that does not smell good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to smell it one more time. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. I got it on my nose. It just smells like a marker that's teriyaki scented, you know? You know those markers that were like grape scented, lemon scented? Yeah, this smells like a teriyaki scented marker. I don't like it. 4th one. Run, sir, run! He's like, I saw him go like that and then all the way back around. Like, this guy is working out. He's training for something. I also don't like this bag. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna give this one to my mom and put like her Mother's Day gift in it because I feel like this is her vibe. I feel like she would like it. I feel like she would like, no, wait. She would actually like this. She loves like purples and blues. Maybe I can give her both because I don't want either. Okay, so I really don't like this bag, but that's just me, girl. I'm sure there's plenty of you who do, and that's awesome for you. Ooh, I love getting brushes, especially when it's more than one. I love getting brushes. They feel super soft. And they're all like eye brushes, which is nice. Have lots of those, honestly. I need to buy like cute acrylic type of brush holders. March. Oh my God. Oh, I thought this was I got so excited. I thought this was a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion because I have gotten that in an Ipsy bag before, and ever since I started using the Skin Perfecting line, I love the Skin Perfecting line. Rejuvenating antioxidant formula. A repair moisturizer is designed to meet the demands of dry, dulled, dehydrated skin. Another body lotion, and it's tiny. I'll use this in literally 2 days, but you can never complain about lotion. This is something that I can throw into like my handbags because in Colorado, it's dry as here, and my hands are always dry, like always dry. Like, I hate how dry my hands get here. It's kind of embarrassing. Okay, so I have a Purely Silk Glow BB base primer. I don't really use BB cream, so I don't know if you have to use a BB cream over this BB primer. Benefit Satin Sheen Makeup Primer base leaves skin with a natural healthy glow. I do like that demi matte type of look. Provides brighter skin tone. We do like that. Prolongs foundation wear, it's always a good thing. Improves skin complexion. I think that is what would help dark spots. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots. And you know what? I believe that this product probably does help a little bit with this just because it is a skincare like brand. I don't know if they have a lot of makeup, honestly. I just know a lot about their skincare. Oh, I'm gonna open this because I have a palette from this brand that I got in another Ipsy box a different time, and I actually really like the palette. It's really good quality, and the shadow lasts on my eye without a primer all night. I am a little worried though that it is the same exact palette because it looks the exact same. So if it is, this will be gifted. Oh no, it's not. I don't know if I like these colors though. Purples and stuff are supposed to be good for brown eyes, but I have not done much work with purple shadows in my day. The next thing is by Half Caked Totally Tubular Mascara. Oh my god. This is freaking cute. I love this packaging. This is so cute. I almost kind of want to give it to my friend Hannah, but I also really love getting mascaras, and I hate buying them, so I'm gonna keep it. Sorry, girl. I am excited to try this. It probably won't be for a minute because I have a few other mascaras to go through, and honestly, I'm probably gonna save that Victoria Beckham one for last because I think that one's going to be the best. That, honestly, you guys, was everything in the Ipsy bags. But literally, thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, and become a member of my squad. And also, please like this video. I don't have anything else for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye. Fearless.